Make sure you stay until the end. If not fixed on time, that will cause more damages and you may end up spending hundreds, even thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW guys. Any BMW, practically 3, 4, 5 series, 6 series, whatever it is, anything from X1 to X6. If you guys feel that your engine became a little bit noisier, stay with us, we'll explain what it is, what can easily cause that, and if not fixed on time, how it can cause even more damages that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. We're going to talk about that, what can cause the engine to be noisier even though the exhaust system is perfectly fine and the engine doesn't have malfunction light or anything like that. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything, transmissions, engines, bodywork. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts too, at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money guys. We'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from. So let's continue now. So now let's explain here guys, okay, what we have. This specifically is a BMW 5 Series. The same job we have been doing lately on 5 Series, 3 Series, X4 and 2 generation of 3 Series BMWs. Usually when we notice, that this a little bit louder engine noise will start showing about 100 to 110,000 miles. What causes that quite often, if you don't have problems with the exhaust system and the engine guys, it's engine mounts. You may notice that you have finer vibrations too. What is the engine mount? Usually on BMW you have 2 engine mounts, one on the passenger, one on the driver's side, like this one. Now they hold the engine fixed in place. You have a transmission mount, 1 or 2, this one has 2 of them, and they hold the transmission on the back side practically in place. And these engine mounts keep the engine in place and eliminate the vibrations from the engine so they're not transferred to the car body, because if you have a hard connection, that vibration from the engine will be transferred directly to the body. And BMW uses hydraulic engine mounts. They're filled with hydraulic fluid and they have the rubber component as well. So multiple things can go wrong in those mounts, even they look perfectly fine. For instance, this one didn't look bad at all. This one too, the only sign that I noticed is right here that was rubbing a little bit, and the gap right here is changed. It's more on this side, less on this, and the original new mount is the same. So they stretch, they can crack, and the hydraulic component on the inside often fails, and you start feeling those fine vibrations being transferred to the metal car body. From there they will be amplified, and practically the engine vibrations, engine sound will be amplified kind of like through a funnel, and inside the cabin you'll hear louder engine because of bad engine mounts. Now it is always recommended to replace both engine mounts at the same time and your transmission mounts, because let's say you replace the engine mounts only, they're usually the more expensive ones and it takes more work to do, quite a bit more, and you do not replace your transmission mount and your transmission mount has failed. That will cause the transmission to move on the back side. It will put side movement on the engine, and as a result that will guys cause, that will cause the new mounts to fail prematurely as well. So eventually you'll need to do the job again. And if you don't fix the engine mounts and transmission mounts on time, that can cause damage to the drive shaft support bearing, that can cause damage to cooling system, pipes, hoses, wires and things like that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.